Justice Zain Kibonang of Gaborone High Court has described Mano Thipe as a dishonest, calculating, intelligent, deceptive, manipulative, cunning, and disrespectful of whoever he comes across, including his family and lawyers. In his judgment in a case in which Mano and his ex-wife Margaret Thipe were battling for properties acquired during their marriage of 50 years, Kibonang said Mano also tried to frustrate the proceedings at the very beginning. During trial, Thipe denied he signed some documents that disposed of his properties and accused some lawyers of forging his signatures. He also disowned his signatures in official documents in transfer of funds and regularly presented himself as a bachelor. Some of the lawyers who assisted him are now High Court judges. Although Maano had argued that they were not married in community of property, the judge said he is convinced that the couple believed that their marriage was in that regime and that they conducted themselves as such for their entire marriage. He said it would be a travesty of justice if Margaret was to leave empty-handed. Justice Gaborone ordered that properties in Sibina and Francistown be divided between the couple, including those which Mano had disposed of and got paid for. The judge also ordered that Margaret be allowed access to their house in Block 9 in Gaborone to take her household goods. The house has already been sold to one Lucas Thipe, and the remaining balance should be paid to the partnership. This is what attorney for Margaret had to say about the judgment.
It's a very good judgment. I like it. I would say that 98% is fair in that universal partnership it has been confirmed, which was a very big task for us to convince the court with. This marriage is over 40 years, right? And the parties are quite elderly. So it was very difficult to deal with them because their temper and everything. The judge was very focused, and he has come up with a good judgment, even as we have learned a lot from it, because the citation of some of the cases are while informing us.
Okay.
Yeah.
You say 90%. What about the 2%? The other 2%?
Well, the 2%, which I am not sure of, I'm still yet to advise myself, is the fate of the third party. Because as far as I am concerned, universal partnership is between husband and wife. No third party is supposed to have been entertained as far as I'm concerned. To the confirmation of the sale, especially Lot 2662, Block 9, I'm very skeptical about it because there's a judgment by Professor Kidinake, which was delivered in 2013, whereby he said all the sales which were made by the defendant without the participation of the plaintiff, they were unlawful, they were set aside. And he directed that all those properties, the Francistown property and the Gaborone property matrimony, must go back to the estate.
Attorney Doreen Khama was not aware that the judgment had been issued.